best pocket knife. Nowadays, pocket knives are so popular for being a multiple tool. So to make your decision a bit easy, I am going to recommend best pocket knives. We have researched each and every product very carefully, which is based on customer reviews, price and features of the product. We assure you at all times about the right price and features of the product. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Stay with us if you want to know which product will be best for you. At number 1, Cryo Leek pocket knife 3 inches blade, great EDC folding knives. It is versatile 3 inches blade which is made by on the most premium performing blade steel that is called Sandvik steel. This steel ensures that thoughtless and corrosion resistance of the knife as well as provide EDGE retentions. Not just the blade steel has these features but also the stainless steel alloy handle of the knife. Support this feature, this pocket knife has a very slim, silky style and you can fold using the trip lock while not using it. You can enjoy the SpeedSafe assistance. This you will need less effort for quickly open the knife with maximum frequency functionality. You can easily carry it in your pocket and use either a strong or weak handle whenever you require. The frame lock design makes this knife even safer and secure, also quicker to use and development. So after considering this multiple feature and versatility of this knife, you can purchase on for your personal use without any confusion. At number 2, QC Blue Pocket Knives 3-4 inches blade. QC Blue Pocket Knife is silently curved and multitasking knife used for various thought activities. It is very good picing and styling capability with a fresh appearance too. Due to its low profile pocket slip frame, it is very easy to take out from the pocket. The excellent feature is SpeedSafe assistant make this knife more user-friendly, quickly and reliable. It is made a high-performance steel which is resistant to corrosion and hardness. To give extra hardness, the blade of the knife is carbon coated. This more rugged and taut. This knife has a very secure locking system. This knife can be developed very fast and operate by on hand. The handle of craft is also very durable and resistant to stuck steel. Design convenient pocket clips. As a result, the reversible pocket clip allows you to carry in any position you feel comfortable. At number 3, Cryo Class Folding Pocket Knives. This Cryo Class Folding Pocket Knife is an affordable, versatile, powerful knife used for multi-purpose. This advanced technology and inventive design of Cryo make unique, safe and reliable knives for everyday use. This SpeedSafe assistant feature offers easy development and allows for an one-hand options. The excellent flipper also ensure either right or left hand operating and engage the activities with more thoughtness. This knife has a very durable steel-made body. The carbon black coating of the blade makes it even more effective and resistant corrosion of stains. This knife has the feature of the secure locking system, as the locking system prevents usual blade closure. This you can keep the knife wherever you like without any worries. The durable handle of the knife ensure long-lasting user experience. Also, reversible pocket clip allows you can carry the knife either tip up, down or any side you want.